Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also turn up the notification bell. Today's video is going to be a chit chat video where we make this egg sauce. And also I just want to highlight that most people who watch my videos are not subscribed to this channel. Please, can you subscribe to my channel to help the channel grow? This channel has slowed down, I'm not going to lie, mainly because I don't just upload often. So occasionally I don't feel motivated to do anything else, because I'm like, you guys are here for the cooking videos, why should I be posting other things, you know? But notwithstanding, I feel it will take time to build an audience that also like other things. I'm trying to branch out. I know it will take time, so I'm okay with that. And honestly, at the end of the day, creating content is what I enjoy, and it's not necessarily about getting the most views. With that being said, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you are staying healthy during all this. Everything I use in this video will be in the description box below, so don't worry. I hope you guys are doing well, staying strong, because I know during all of this it can be challenging, especially depending on your situation. I sincerely hope that you guys are in a good space and nothing is too stressful. I know certainly some people will have some struggles, some people will not. If you are going through it, I'm praying for you and hoping that things will get better. This too will come to an end. We will come out of it stronger and better. I truly believe, and I'm concerned to see how things will be after this is over. But I do believe that things will get better, besides dealing with being in quarantine and all that fun stuff. I have been able to do some cleaning lately. There will be cleaning videos coming up soon. And also I am working on my Bible readings videos as well. A lot of people have been asking about that. Other than that, life has been pretty basic. I have not been doing a lot, just been participating in so many videos. Let us not digress from the main purpose of this video, which is the egg sauce. The first step is to chop all your vegetables, the one you want to use. In this video, I use onion, chili, yellow sweet pepper, and spinach. Step 2, heat the pan on medium heat. Add oil or any added sunflower oil. You can add any oil of your choice. At this point, I will be adding my onion. I will allow it to fry for 20 seconds or more. Then I added the chili, the sweet pepper, and the spinach. And I allowed it to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until half cooked. And finally, you add the eggs and allow it to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. The egg sauce is ready. You can use this with any sides. You can use it with bread, yam, potato. It all depends on what you prefer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the like and the subscribe button. Thank you.